Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to Online Teaching Academy, Ekalaiva. Class 6th, Board CBSE, Subject Science, Topic Getting to Know Plants, Part 2. What we discussed in the previous class, we learned about structure of plants and the root system. In the root system, different types of root and modification of root system we discussed in the previous class, right? By the end of this chapter, you should be able to state the shoot system and stem and its modification. See children, what is shoot system? The parts of the plants that grow above the ground are called shoot system, right? See here, stem, branches, flowers, buds and fruits and vegetables. These all combine together to make a shoot system, right? Now we are going to discuss about stem. You see, some of the stems are very strong, some of the stems are very thin. Mostly the herbs have fibrous root, the stem is very thin, right? If you take the taproot, the stems are very thick. Here, where the leaves arise, here you see the point of attachment of leaf or bud on the stem called node. You see, where the leaves, okay, arise, this place is called node, okay. Then the portion of stem between two nodes is called internode. You see, between the two nodes, the portion of stem between the two nodes are called internode. Here, the buds appear in the axil. Where it is axil? The axil is present between the stem and leaf, right? So, this is a structure of stem. Here you see sugarcane plant. Here, where is the node? This part is node. You see here node. Then, between the two nodes, that is called internode. Now, let us discuss about the function of stem. There are two main functions. First one, stems give support to the plant. See here, this stem gives support to the plant. It helps to grow upwards, right? The next one, transportation. Here, already we discussed the root absorb water, mineral, oxygen from the soil, right? From the root, it conducts the water, minerals to other parts of the plant. That process is called transportation, right? how it transport? You will learn in higher classes. Here, xylem and phloem tissues are present in the stem. So, through the xylem, it transports the water to other parts of the plant, right? So, but phloem helps to transport food particle to other parts of the plant. So, the transportation takes place in the stem. So, these two main functions of stem. These are the two functions. Next, now we are going to learn about modification of stem. The modification of stem takes place in 5 different ways. And why such modifications takes place? In storage of food and reproduction. Second one, manufacture of food, protection, support and multiplication. Now, we will go and discuss about the modification of stem. The first modification, see, storage of food and reproduction. Here, potato is a underground stem, right? Here, it stores the food in the stem part. Here, it has tubers. Potato has tubers. It bears small scale leaves, right? Here, it bears the small scale leaves. Scale leaves are modified leaves which protect bud. Each potato has leaf scars, which are in fact the mark of fallen scale leaf. You see, each scar has a bud. This is each scar has a bud. It is called an eye. From that eye, it produces the new plant. So, here what modifications takes place? Potato modify the stem and store the food, and it helps to produce the new plant. Okay, children. Next, bulbs. See, this also underground stem. Here, it has disc-like stem enclosed by food. It storing scale leaves. Example, onion, lily and tulip. See, it store the food in the bulb. So, it is here the modifications takes place in onion bulbs. Next one, rhizomes. See, the rhizomes also underground stem. These grow horizontally below the soil surface. Here the stem store the food. It has a small adventitious root. Then it has node and internode. Okay. The layer, upper layer, it has rhizome. From this, the leaves appear. So, these leaves also can take photosynthesis reaction, right. So, here what modifications takes place? It also store the food in the stem and produce that new plants. Then next modifications comes. See here, it is also underground stem. It has a swollen underground part. Okay. The food storing in the underground part. So, this protective scale leaves are present on the haulms. This is a corms take from that plant. Okay. So, example colocasia corms, it corms to produce the new plant. It also store the food, then it produce the new plant from the corms. It can be transferred from one season to another season. Okay. Next, manufacture of food by stem. This is another modification of stem. You see, cladophytes, the stem of plants such as, this is a stem of the plant. Okay. Here, prickly pear, the other name is cactus. The flattened leaf-like stem called cladophytes, right? It take photosynthesis reactions in stem part. Usually, the photosynthesis takes place in leaves. Okay, children. But in stem modification, that cactus or cladophytes, what happened? The photosynthesis reactions takes place in the stem and store the water. Okay. Next one, protection. This is another modification of stem. See, have you seen? This is a thorns, right? So, thorns in acacia appears from the stem. Okay. This thorns helps themselves from the animals. Okay. Next one, these modifications give support. Here, see here, tendrils. Okay. Here, ivy and crepe vine, this is a climbers. Okay. It produces tendrils. What is the use of this? The stem modified to become tendrils, it gives support to the plant. Next one, multiplication. Here you see plants such as strawberry. Okay, this is a strawberry plants produce horizontal. This is a horizontal. Okay, horizontal stem with long internode. Okay, so that is a runner from this and usually grow from the surface of the runner. Okay, so the new plant arise from the runner. So, these are the 5 different modifications of stem. Next, we are going to discuss about one activity to observe conduction by stem. See, what are the material needed? Actually, we have to take 4 glass of water and add food color. Okay. Now, the 4 glass of water and add different food color in each glass, right? Now, I am going to take 4 flower, okay, with stem. Place the flower in each glass of the water. Place the flower, see. We do not disturb for 2 or 3 days. Okay. What will happen after 2 or 3 days? See the picture here. We add different color in each glass, put inside the flower. Okay, place it inside. After few days, you see that how the color changed. Shall we see that? Yeah. Wow. See the color of flowers, how the color change. Because the stem conduct the water, so the white color flowers, this is change, that yellow color, green color and red color flowers. What can you understand during this activity? See, here the absorption of water takes place in the root. In this activity, the conduction of water takes place in the stem. Okay, children, through the stem, the water conduct and gives the different colors. I hope you understood that activity. You can also try it at home, children. What did we learn today? We learned about shoot system, right? What is shoot system? The part of the plants that grow above the ground are called shoot system. In this, what are the modifications takes place? These all we discuss, right? Thank you, children. To receive our online lesson, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you.